Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. As you can see, we have the February 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is kind of the middle sister when it comes to Ipsy because it starts with the Ipsy Glam Bag that is $12 a month and you receive 5 deluxe and sometimes even full-size items with that bag. And then you have the Glam Bag Plus here, which is $25 and you receive 5 full-size items. And then you have like the big sister, which is the ultimate, and that is $50 a month and you receive 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe. So one thing I really like is you do get to choose one item every month in your box, so that is always nice. And I will put a link down below to Ipsy if you have not signed up for them and you would like to, or just check them out. It'll be down there. Guys, I also want to remind you we do have some active giveaways going on. We have the Jeffree Star Supreme Valentine's giveaway going on. That is linked down below, as well as a giveaway ending here in just a few days. It's just a little mini appreciation giveaway. So let's go ahead and get into this and we will see exactly what we got for February 2020. All right, so you open it and it says discover yourself with some orange foam. And then here we have this. Now, I'm hoping that this card is going to tell me pricing and information about the products because my ultimate did not have that. So let's see. All right, so this has information about each product and it does give me pricing. So I am glad for that. So thank you. All right, so let's start with the bag. And this is the bag for the ultimate this month. So it's kind of a shimmery, like pinkish, purpley lavender. I'm not even really sure what you would call that. And then it has this pretty darker purple pull. And so it's just straight across the top. And then you can see it says Ipsy on the inside. So here is our bag for February for the Glam Bag Plus. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start. So the first thing I see, seems to be a trend that I get one of these every month. This is from Il Maquillage. This is their ink liner in black. This is a felt tip liner. This is valued at $21. Here is the actual item. I'm not going to open it because this will be going to a giveaway because I don't really use the liquid liners like this. I prefer more of like the gel liner, so that will be going to one of you guys. But it says, calling all cat eye noobs. This liquid liner is about to change your life. The elongated, flexible tip has a sharp point that makes lash-hugging lines and dramatic flicks a piece of cake. You'll never need to worry about smearing or smudging. This formula stays put for up to 14 hours. So there's item number 1. And then, oh, I love Murad. And then, oh, this is from Murad. Environmental Shield, Essential C Day Moisture, and it has broad spectrum SPF 30. It brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. Oh, yay. And this is $65. There's one skincare step you can't skip, no matter the weather or time of year, and that's sunscreen. Luckily, this lightweight moisturizer infused with broad spectrum SPF 30, brightening vitamin C, and protecting ginkgo biloba leaf extract makes it easy to get your necessary daily dose. So I am excited about this. And this will be a perfect moisturizer to use during the summer, even though it says year round, but outside, you know, you're not really outside that often in the winter when it's like really cold, but spring and summer, you're outside doing more. So this to me is something that will be perfect for then. So I am so excited to get this. And like I said, I love Murad products. So there is that. And then we have, oh, I didn't know that they, okay, so this is from Touch and Soul. Pretty Filter Soul Velvet lipstick in Seal Rose. I did not know that Touch in Sol made lip products. This is $16. It says, at Ipsy, we believe that your lipstick should be as versatile as you are, which is why we're in love with this romantic rosy pink shade from K beauty brand Touch in Sol. The matte finish formula lasts for hours, and the buttery smooth finish melts right onto your lips as soon as you swipe it on. Oh, did you guys know that Touch in Sol made, I only know about like primers. So here is the packaging. Oh, this color, you guys, let's see. Oh, that is so pretty. That is such a pretty color. I love that. Love it. All right. And then the next item is actually the item I selected, and that is from Dominique Cosmetics. Isn't that just beautiful? This is the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette, and this is $29. It says, this palette proves that cozy neutrals aren't just a winter staple for your closet. They're a seasonal must-have in your makeup bag too. The 6 matte shades, including cool taupe, pale pinks, and mauves, warm brown, rich lavender, and deep purple, allow you to create endless eye looks. Oh, this packaging is just stunning. And the actual package, like palette itself, matches, and it's actually kind of textured like a sweater. Love it. Oh, and it does have a little mirror, but look at those colors. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. And in all honesty, like these especially, you could use in spring. So, I mean, you could use this more than just when it's time for a sweater. So I love this palette. And like I said, that is the item that I selected. All right, so we have one more item here, and this is LaRousse, if I'm saying that correctly, Essentials Brush Set. It's all wrapped up nice right here. Like, I almost feel like I need my glasses. $154? What? Whether you want to buff in your foundation, contour cheekbones, highlight your Cupid's bow, or blend eyeshadow for a killer smoky eye, this 5-piece makeup brush set has you covered. Each brush is crafted with a super soft, pro-quality, synthetic bristles that are vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. $154? For 5, is it like 5 brushes? Oh my gosh. Like, are they gonna apply the makeup to my face? All fancy, like a love letter. All right, so here they are. All right, so I got the brushes out of the plastic. So here are all 5. So this, I like that they do tell you what they are. This is the tapered blending. And then this is a shadow brush. This is a kabuki. Angled contour. And flat foundation. And this feels a little too soft to me for foundation, but I mean, you can see it's really soft. I mean, it is dense, but it just feels, to me, I like a dense but soft foundation brush. This, I don't think is quite as dense as I would like it to be. Now this contour I think is actually really good. You would easily be able to buff things out, and these feel nice. The shadow brush feels nice. This little blending brush feels nice. So, I mean, for $154, so we got the crazy, ridiculous, expensive brush set. We got the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette, the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Lipstick. We got the Murad Moisturizer with SPF 30. And then, like I said, this will be going into a giveaway, the Il Makiage black liquid eyeliner. So let me know down below what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Were we twins? What did you think of this? I'll put the total value of my box right down here since we do have pricing. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.